My God, guys. First of all, you have to watch this film. This AI film that I generated is honestly one of the best examples of what is possible with today's AI tools. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to one of the best free AI tools that helped me create this incredible AI movie. Before we begin, take a look at this film. Just watch how realistic it looks. It feels exactly like a real Hollywood blockbuster. Pay attention to the characters, the visuals, the cinematic quality, and every single detail. First of all, watch this preview and see for yourself how beautifully this viral monster AI film has been created, using just one AI tool. Now, without wasting any time, let's get started. Guys, I have already prepared a master prompt for you. It's a short and simple master prompt, and you'll find the link in the description below. All you need to do is copy this movie master prompt. Once you've copied it, open ChatGPT, paste the prompt into the chat, and click Generate. As soon as you click Generate, ChatGPT will create a complete AI movie story for you. After it generates the story, simply type the following instruction underneath. Please give me 10 image or video prompts. Once you send that message, ChatGPT will generate 10 image and text-to-video prompts based on your story. If you want more detailed prompts, simply type, "Please give me in details." ChatGPT will then generate every scene in detail, including the story, image prompts, and highly detailed text-to-video prompts for each scene. Now, without wasting any more time, let's move on to today's AI tool. Today we're going to use Higgsfield AI. Let me tell you something exciting. Higgsfield AI has made its top AI models completely free for everyone for the next 24 hours. Not only that, if you subscribe to an eligible paid plan, you can also receive 7 days of unlimited access completely. For example, if you purchase one of Higgsfield AI's eligible plans, you'll unlock 7 days of unlimited access, allowing you to generate unlimited images using all of Higgsfield's premium AI models. On top of that, you get access to premium models like Seedance 2.0, Gemini OmniFlash, Cinema Studio, and any other popular AI video generation models. Everything you need for professional AI content creation is available inside one platform. That's Higgsfield AI. So, let's begin. Go to the video generation section where you'll see Seedance. Simply click on it because today we're going to generate our AI movie using the Seedance 2 model. As soon as I open it, you'll see the interface appear on your screen. At the bottom, you'll notice a free access option. Simply click on it, and you'll be able to generate videos with Seedance 2 using the free access. Now I'll copy my first scene together with the consistent master prompt, paste it into the prompt box, select the Seedance 2 model, set the aspect ratio to 16:9, keep the duration at 10 seconds, leave everything else at the default settings, and simply click Generate. As you can see, my first video has started generating and will be ready in just a few moments. Now let me explain how you can activate this free access. All you need to do is sign up with a brand new Gmail account and log in to Higgsfield AI. Once you log in, you'll receive the 24-hour free access available for all eligible new users. To activate it, simply enter your credit card details on the Higgsfield AI website. This will unlock access to all of the premium models for the next 24 hours. And don't worry, you can cancel your subscription anytime you want. The video is ready. Just look at how beautifully it has been generated. The cinematic quality is incredible. It genuinely looks like a scene from a Hollywood blockbuster. You can clearly see the giant monster rising from the ocean, and the visuals are incredibly powerful, realistic, and cinematic. After that, all you need to do is copy the prompt for the second scene. Once you've copied it, come back to Higgsfield AI, paste it into the prompt box, keep all the settings exactly the same, and simply click Generate. As you can see, our second video has started generating as well, and it will be ready in just a few moments. Once it's finished, we'll preview it together and see how beautifully it has been generated. Guys, as I mentioned earlier, Seedance 2 is a premium AI video generation model, and one of the things I really like about it is its consistency. If you generate one video and then continue using prompts from the same story, it maintains a very consistent cinematic style across all your scenes. The characters, lighting, atmosphere, and overall visual quality remain highly professional, making your final AI movie feel like one complete Hollywood production instead of a collection of random clips. Now our second video is ready. Just look at how amazing it is. The quality is absolutely beautiful. You can clearly see the helicopters flying overhead while the giant monster rises from the ocean. The cinematic action, the camera movement, and the overall scene look incredible. Personally, I think the result looks fantastic. Now we're simply going to repeat the same process for the remaining scenes. I'll copy the next prompt, paste it into Higgsfield AI, and click Generate. Then I'll do the same thing for the next scene, and the next one after that. One by one, all of our scenes will continue generating until our complete AI movie is finished. The entire process is extremely simple, and once you have your prompts ready, creating a professional cinematic AI film only takes a few minutes. Now let me show you another useful option. If you look over here, you'll notice the Change Settings section. Under it, you'll see an option related to free generations. Simply click on that option and you'll be able to generate videos using the available free generation credits. As you can see on my screen, I'm generating these videos using the free generation option, making it easy for new users to test the platform before deciding to upgrade. Our next video is almost ready, and now it's finished. Let's preview it together. Once again, the results are absolutely beautiful. The scenes have been generated with impressive quality, the cinematic effects look amazing, and the overall movie maintains a consistent professional style from one scene to the next. This is exactly what makes Seedance 2 such an impressive AI video model. If you look at the left side of the screen, you'll also notice the label showing that this generation was created using the free generation option. That means these premium models are currently available for free during this promotional period. You can simply visit Higgsfield AI and start creating your own AI videos right away. As I mentioned earlier, all of Higgsfield AI's top models are available for free for 24 hours for eligible new users. This is a great opportunity if you've been thinking about trying premium AI video generation without paying for it first. In my opinion, Higgsfield AI is one of the best AI platforms available right now, because everything you need is available in one place. You get an AI image generator, an AI video generator, plugins, studio tools, Canvas, MCP integration, and many other powerful AI features designed for professional content creators. Now, let's take a quick look at the pricing plans available on Higgsfield AI. As you can see, there are several subscription plans to choose from, allowing you to select the one that best fits your needs. If we look at the Max plan, you'll notice that it includes 7 days of unlimited access to all supported models. That means, with an eligible plan, you can generate unlimited AI images and videos without worrying about daily limits. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and learned something new. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss my upcoming AI tutorials. If you'd like to try everything you've seen in this video, you'll find the Higgsfield AI link in the description below. Go ahead, explore the platform, create your own AI movies, and let me know in the comments what you build. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.